If you're looking for a crochet stitch you can completely relax with, something soothing and easy to fall into, you're gonna love this one. It's one of my absolute favorites right now, so let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to the 2025 Temperature Sampler Blanket Crochet Along project. For this month, August, we're going to be learning the single crochet cross stitch. This stitch is so easy and it's so relaxing, which feels perfect for this time of year as we start shifting from summer into fall. Okay, maybe not everyone, because here in Texas, August is our hottest month of the year. I'll probably finally get to use some of my 100+ degree yarn this month, which I am excited about. My 100+ degree yarn is this black color, and it's going to look striking and extremely complimenting next to my 90-degree weather yarn, which is like this cream color. So I'm excited, it's gonna look really cool. If you'd like to grab your August crochet stitch of the month calendar stitch card, head over to my website, crochetwithtiffany.com, or you can just find the direct link down in the description section below. If you're catching this project for the very first time, it's never too late to start. I have a full playlist here on YouTube for the 2025 Temperature Sampler Blanket Crochet Along project that walks you through everything from getting started to materials to monthly stitches up to this point, because I haven't released anything beyond August. And over my website, there's a dedicated page just for this project with both right and left-handed video tutorials. So if you're a lefty, I've got you covered. Just head over to my website. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the single crochet cross stitch.
All right, we are going to go ahead and just go with the flow with this project. Create your slip knot, attach your crochet hook. If you're looking at the right side of the project or the wrong side, doesn't matter, just work with it. Go ahead and slip stitch into the very first stitch of the row. Great, then chain 1 and single crochet into that same first stitch. Okay, now we're actually going to work that single crochet cross stitch. Skip the next stitch and single crochet into the following stitch loosely. And then come back to that skip stitch, insert your crochet hook, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to keep pulling tall so that way your crochet hook is level with the row before you yarn over and pull through. And that is the single crochet cross stitch. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the following stitch loosely. This is big deal, guys, big deal. And then a single crochet into that skipped stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and pull tall. Great. If you don't pull tall and you keep everything really tight, it's going to roll, it's going to curl the whole project because everything's going to want to just shrink to the front. So making sure that your stitches are loose is going to help your blanket to lay flat. And then you're just going to repeat this single crochet cross stitch across the row.
Okay guys, let me slip in here real quick to talk about something that is super relevant to our project right now. As we're working up these temperature sampler blankets, they're getting longer, they're getting bigger, they're getting heavier, and honestly, they're getting a little more awkward to flip and flip and flip. Are you noticing this too? Because I definitely am, and I've also started to notice that my elbows and my shoulders are starting to feel it, and that is where your Valari pillow is going to be a big game changer. It's going to come into play in big, massive ways because it gives your arms a place to rest, absorb a lot of that tension and that strain, so that way you don't end up with those annoying aches and pains, okay? Plus, our blanket is going to grow. We're only 3/4 of the way done. We still have a quarter to go. This thing is going to be massive and heavy. So having to constantly flip it or set it aside to grab your scissors, your stitch markers, your yarn needle, it's just the worst. Well, the Valari pillow has a brand new Maker's Edition with built-in pockets, so that way you can just place all those things in the pocket and you don't have to keep setting the blanket aside, getting up, down, having to grab things and readjust. So it's been amazing. I've really appreciated it so much. You've got to check it out. I've got an affiliate link down in the description section below, along with a 15% off coupon code, so you can get a little bit cheaper, and it covers all the pillows and the covers. So if you already have the pillow, you can just get the cover. It's definitely worth it. All right, let's go ahead and get back to the tutorial.
At the end of the row, we're going to go ahead and finish this last single crochet cross stitch. You should have one stitch left. In that last stitch, we're just going to make one single crochet stitch. This is going to help us to keep the sides of our work straight. So it's going to look something like this. Great. If your next day uses the same color, you just chain one, turn your work, single crochet into the first stitch, and then jump right back into that single crochet cross stitch pattern. But if you do need to change colors, because maybe your next day, day 2, August 2nd, is a different temperature, requires a different color, you're going to tie off your work. I'm going to show you how to do that right here, just in case you need a refresher. So taking your scissors, cutting a long enough tail for you to weave in the end, and then tie off your work, tie off that yarn. Turn your work, grab the new color, create your slip knot, attach your crochet hook. Slip stitch into that very first stitch to attach the yarn to the project. Great, chain one, single crochet into the first stitch, and then do your cross stitch pattern. You're going to skip the next stitch, single crochet into the following stitch loosely, and then single crochet into that skipped stitch loosely. And that's it, guys. This is the single crochet cross stitch. Let's go ahead and finish off this row, just so I can make sure that you're good to go. Right at the end of row 2, again, we're going to end with this single crochet cross stitch. You should have one stitch left over. Just make one single crochet stitch in that last stitch so our sides are smooth, our sides are straight. Awesome. This is what it looks like. And all we're doing, guys, for the month of August is repeating this row, row 1, the single crochet cross stitch row. Just keep repeating this row every single day. 1 row repeat here. Awesome. We love that. And I hope you love how it looks. This is one of my favorite crochet stitches right now. I just think it's so pretty and it's simple, it's relaxing, and I just really hope you enjoy it through the month of August.